quite happy about that. That's the Henry Edge Garage. This is my old E46 M3 that Henry now owns. He's done a lot of work on this machine. It's absolutely stunning. Obviously he's got it quite dirty at the minute because he's not washed it, but yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. Don't even know if you can see in there. No, it's just dust. But yeah, it's quite the machine when she's working. Had some really good times in this car. Been around the ring with it together. It's been set up really well and rebuilt by Henry. Spent hours and hours and hours on this car. I'll maybe do a video on it someday when it's back out on the road. We'll get a video of it and show you what it's all about. Oh, it's starting to rain? Yeah. Oh great, AR1s and a bit of rain. Be sound. So I've done a few other bits as well while it's been in, so we've I don't even know if you'll be able to see it, but the pole position's now in. And yeah, it's about ready to go.